Hi friends. I'm so happy you're here. I'm Olivia, and today we're going to learn how to blend sounds to read real words. Isn't that cool? Do you remember your letter sounds from last time? Great! Now, we'll learn how to put them together. That's called blending. Can you say that? Blending. Let's try our first word. Look at these letters. Let's say each sound slowly. Ka. Ah. Ga. Now let's blend them together. Ke. Ga. Cat. Again, a little faster. Cat. Meow. Awesome job. Let's try another one. Da. Oh. Ga. Let's blend them. Do. Ga. Dog. Woof woof. Now it's your turn. S. Na. Let's blend them. Sa. Na. Sun. You're shining bright. Try this one. Pa. Now, let's blend them. Ma. Pa. What do you think? Ma. You got it. Let's blend the next one. Pa. E. Ga. Now, follow me. P. Ga. Blend it. Pig. Yay! Here's our next word. Ga. Blend it with me. Ra. Da. Rat. Great job. Try this one. Ha. Ga. Blend it with me. Ha. Da. Hat. Yay! A hat for you reading Superstar. Let's do another. Ga. Now blend it. Ma. Ga. Mug. Nice blending. Here comes another one. La. Oh. Ga. Blend with me. Low. Ga. Log. You're doing awesome. Let's do another one. Ba. Ga. Blend it. Ba. Ga. Bug. Fantastic reading. Here's a new word. Ha. Na. Blend it. Hey. Na. Hen. Cluck cluck. You got it. Next one. Pa. Na. Blend it with me. Pe. Na. Pen. Perfect. Let's try. Ra. Ga. Now blend it. Ra. Ga. Rug. Awesome job. Here's a fishy word. F. E. Na. Blend it. Fi. Na. Fin. Like a fish fin. Good work. Here's a cozy word. Ba. Duh. Now blend it. Be. Duh. Bed. Bedtime reading. Let's try this one. Ka. Pa. Now blend it. Care. Pa. Cat. Great job. You just read cat. Here comes a fun one. Wa. Ba. Now blend it. Where. Ba. Web. Like a spider's web. Awesome work. Last one for today. Ka. Pa. Blend it with me. Ka. Pa. Cup. Cup of awesome reading. Wow! Wow! You just blended so many words. You are getting better and better with every word. I'm so proud of you. Thanks for reading with me today. If you had fun, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure. I'll see you next time for more reading fun. Bye!